This program is written in the C programming language. It asks the user for their age and the age of their child, then displays both values. Here is how it works. The program starts by including two standard libraries. Standard input-output is used for input and output functions like printf and fgets. Standard library is used for converting strings to integers with the atoi function. The main function is where the program begins execution. Three variables are declared. Child and U are integers that will store the ages. Years is a character array that can hold up to 7 characters plus a null terminator. It is used to read input as a string. The program prints, "How old are you?" It then uses fgets to read the input from the user and stores it in a years array. Years is the name of the character array where the input will be stored. Size of years tells the program how many characters to read. In this case, it reads up to 7 characters plus the null terminator. Standard input usually means the keyboard input from the user. The atoi function converts the string to an integer and stores it in the variable u. The program prints, "How old is your child?" Again, it reads the input using fgets, stores it in the same years array, and converts it to an integer stored in child. The format specifier is used to insert the integer values into the output. Here is what the program would look like if we entered 50 for "How old are you?" and 30 for "How old is your child?" If we make a slight modification to the program, we can perform a mathematical calculation with the ages. This is because the atoi function converted the string that the user entered into an integer. Atoi stands for ASCII to integer. It allows the program to convert user input, text, into numeric values. Once converted, those values can be used in calculations like subtraction and addition. Here is what the program looks like when we run it.